fan with stand-up comedian.
Washing machine with high blood tournament.
Electric oven with 10 Instagram followers.
Desk fan with student license.
Washing machine with music and chain melody.
Washing machine with no therapeutic claims.
Desk fan with birth certificate.
Electric stove with manhole.
Blender with root canal.
Desk fan with certificate of recognition.
Refrigerator with deodorant.
Oven toaster with free Wi-Fi.
Desk fan with live audience.
Refrigerator with diarrhea.
Steamer with free hair ribbon.
Stand fan with income tax return.
Stand fan with blood pressure.
Water dispenser with sand dunes.
Oven toaster with legal separation.
Food steamer with wireless mic.
Stand fan with surround sound system.
Spin dryer with roleta ng kabayanan.
Desk fan with peace and prosperity.
Turbo broiler with polka dots.
Water dispenser with salsa.
Desk fan with cotton buds.
Rice cooker with costume designer.
Microwave oven with private pool.
Airpack with rechargeable stapler.
Stand fan with safety bolt.
Washing machine, nako, live wire.
Flat iron with water heater.
Electric fan with comprehensive insurance.
Washing machine with food powder.
Oven toaster with swimming party.
Desk fan with hazing.
Refrigerator with educational plan.
Blender with aloe vera.
Box fan with income tax return.
Refrigerator with portable generator.
Rice cooker with Bluetooth.
Pang stand fan with baptismal certificate.
One personal refrigerator with deodorant.
Turbo broiler with vitamins and minerals.
Desk fan with air freshener.
A water dispenser with secret admirer.
Box fan with yung una na may butas.
Water dispenser with transcript of records.
Refrigerator with Skyway.
Meron tayong